Hello everyone. I was thinking about how to make a video for you about what shots are, but it's more appropriate to make it visual for you. But since currently I have no real trades, I was thinking about making a quick algorithm that would be emulated so that I'm not risking any real money, just to check, to get some emulated trades and to show you what they are. So I will put a very risky distance just to make sure that quite soon I get a trade. Whether it's going to be a profit or a loss wouldn't matter because it's all emulated. And while we're at it, I decided to show you how to quickly put together an algorithm and its main parameters. So you click here, we're looking at shots group. There are many more, but first let's go here. So we'll go to emulation mode, not spending any real money. This is the name of the algorithm. You can do it manually. Let's say test algorithm. My typing sucks. Right. Now, how to start with core. No, we won't do that. I'll just go through the main ones that I think would be like essential that you cannot do without. So restart delay, let's make it a small delay. So when a trade happens, the algorithm wants to restart and it waits this number of seconds before it does so. Okay, let's click this. Once the trade happens, it will open the graph for me so that I can notice it more easier. Now, market filters. First of all, we select the futures, the USDT margin here. And now this is important. So for quoted assets, I'm going with USDT. I'm going to be doing something called maximum active markets. And that's why I'm not selecting any specific coins. I'm selecting the quoted asset, and it will look through all the coins that are traded against USDT. Okay, let's leave this alone. But what we have here is active markets filter. So I remember when I showed you previously the market live tab right here, where it has all the coins and shows which are active and which are not so active based on their deltas across different time frames. So here, let's say we'll be looking at 10 most active coins, and we'll not ignore any of the coins that are most active. Since we are on emulation, we're quite safe. Let's add the filter. Yeah, and it's going to be looking at, well, I'm used to using 5-minute delta. Where is it? Yes, 5-minute absolute delta, which in Binance terms would be the amplitude. All right. Here we are looking at the top. So most active, and if you clicked here, it would be the least active, but it's not important here. Let's leave these by default. Now, the algorithm parameters, distance. Let's have a very unsafe distance from what I understand so far. Let's make it 0.6. Okay. Buffer, let's make a smaller buffer. It is pretty much showing you how fast your order tries to catch up with the moving price. Say 0.3 for a small distance, a small buffer. Leave this alone. Let's use trades data instead of ticker price. I will explain a bit later what these are once I understand, but from what I know so far, trades data works better. We'll go on the buy side first, and we'll place a limit order. Doesn't matter how much. Let's put $100 just as in my real algorithms so that we can gauge their efficiency. Next, take profit. Let's put quite a small take profit. Let's say 0.25%, because our shots are only 0.6%, which means they have to roll back at least that amount. Now, yeah, limit order for take profit and the market order for stop loss. Yeah, let's leave a big stop loss because it doesn't matter. Well, actually, let's use let's say 0.5% so that we also see some losses. If we leave it very high at 2% as it was originally, then we are less likely to get a loss, but if we do get one, it will be huge. Let's go 0.5, closer to real life. Delay, let's not have any delay for stop loss. And I think that's it. That's the very, very basic active markets algorithm. Let's run it. And let's also copy it and go not only the buy side, but also the sell side. The rest remains the same. Here we are on emulation as well, on the buy and on the sell side. Let's look at our orders. Here they all are. Let's wait and see if we have any trades at the distance of 0.6. Well, I'm not sure it's gonna happen like in the next couple of minutes. So in the next video, I'll be back and hopefully we'll get some emulated trades or maybe even real trades. And then I will be able to show you better visually what a shot looks like and where is the take profit and where is the stop loss. See you next time.